Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on investing.com. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in investing.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official investing.com website. Now, in order to sign up and create a new account, click on the free sign up button that you see at the top right corner. Once you click on this, you will see various different options, including the option to sign up with Google as well as Facebook. Click on the sign up with email option if you wish to sign up with email, and you will be asked to enter your details. Type in your first and your last name followed by your preferred email address for your account. Then enter your account password that you wish to set and then click on the create account button. You will now be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to the email address that you just entered. So just check your inbox and you will find an email from investing.com. Open up this email and you will see your 6-digit verification code. Just enter this verification code within the given box and click on the verify code button. After verifying your account with the authentication code, you will be logged into your account and your account will be all set and ready to use. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on investing.com. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.